Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how you can edit your videos using CapCut. This is very clear and understandable tutorial, so follow with me. CapCut is a versatile and user-friendly video editing app available on both mobile devices and desktops. Here's a step-by-step guide help you to get started with video editing using CapCut. I am now currently using Windows version, but the steps are pretty similar to mobile version also. First, you have to download and install CapCut. To do that, you have to go to your browser. I like to use Google Chrome and select your account. Then after, you have to type CapCut download and hit enter. If you are using Android smartphone, you just go to Play Store and search for CapCut and download it. According to this, you have to go to the first option, CapCut download. And you can see there's option called download for free. Just tap on it and it will open new menu and you can download. Okay, it will start downloading. Okay, now you just need to run this installer, then you can install the application. After downloading, you can see downloading and installing. You can see this is the CapCut icon. In your mobile phone you can see CapCut icon also. Double tap and open the CapCut. I'm already opened that. Then after, you have to tap on new project here. And I am exit the guidance because I know how to do these things. First of all, you have to import the media you need to edit. Just tap on this import button. Then go to a folder which has the video you need to edit. Okay, I like to edit this video. Just double tap on it. And you have to click and drag this video into this timeline and drop it. You can see the video is added to timeline. Now you can do some basic editing like trim and split your videos. To trim your video, you go to end of the video section and click and drag the video cursor. You can see you can trim the video, and if you need to split this video into parts, you just go to location you need to split and you can see this is the option called split. Just tap on it. Now you can see the video is split into two parts. You can drag and drop in anywhere you need to do. I like to keep it as it is. Okay, and also you can rearrange the video clips. If you need to this video after that, you can arrange it here. And you can add effect and transitions. To add effect, you can see this is the option called effects. Just tap on it. It will load the resources using internet. Wait for loading. It will take a small time according to your internet connection speed. Okay, you can see effect are loaded. You can see there is a small pro icon here. These are pro version available, so I am using the free version, so I can't use this kind of effect. So I like to use normal effect for this. Scroll down, we have a lot of effects here. As for this example, I like to use fade in. Just tap on download icon. It is downloaded completely. Now you can drag and drop it anywhere you want. I like to keep it here. Now you can play the video how it looks like. You can see the fade effect is now open. I think it is better to use here. Now you have to run it again. You can see the after first part, then second part is opening with fade effect. This is how you can use effects. You can choose whatever fade effect you like. You just download it and use it anywhere you want. If I use blurry focus, play this video. Okay, you can see it is blurred and unblurred. This is how you can use effect, and also you can use transitions also. Tap on transitions. Those things also has free version and pro versions. Now it is all downloading because this is the first time I run this application. And you have to just tap on download icon, then it will be downloading. Transitions is used between two clips, so I like to use this. Just tap on it and place it here and tap on OK. Now you can see the split screen, middle of the split screen has the transition effect, and I like to move this here, and pointer is here, then play how it looks like. It is not worked. Let's try again. Yes, you can see the effect is happening. See, the fold over effect is working right now. Then also you can add text and stickers. To add text, you can see there's an option called text. Just tap on it and you can see there's option effects. There are various effects here, and you can use text templates. It is loading. I think network issues is happening. It's okay. You can use text effects. There are various options. I like to this one. Just download that. I think my connection is little bit unstable, so I like to use normal text. So go to add text and tap on drag and drop the default text into your timeline. Place it whatever you need to do use. Then you can see the new menu is open, text menu. Double tap on it. You can use anything you need to. Here I like to this one, and you can change the font also. There are a bunch of fonts here, and you can download those things, and you can scroll increase or decrease font size. You can bold that, underline, italic, and you can change colors, and you can preset styles. And yes, there are a lot of options here. You can add backgrounds, glows, shadows also. So I am showing this basic text and stickers here, so I don't go to this deeply. And you can see there is option called stickers. Those are loading currently. You can drag and drop those things also into the timeline, and you can adjust the audios. First you need to import the audio, so you need to go to media and tap on import here and find the audios where it is located. In my case it is in download and music. This is the audio I like to use. Double tap on it, and you have to again drag and drop into the timeline, and you have to trim that audio match with that video clip. And you can see there is a new menu open called audio. You can decrease the audio or increase the audio. I like to it in minus 8.7 decibel, and you can add fade in effect and fade out effect, and you can this is the very good option. You can noise reduction on that video. If you record in the voice, you can you will help this option to reduce the noise, and you can add voice effects, and you can do increase the speed of that. There are a lot of options here. Okay, after done of your editing, you can export your video. To export your video, you can see there is option called export. Just tap on it, and you have to change this information also. You can add the title for this video. I like to use it as test, and you can choose the location you need to export and choose the resolution. This is support up to 4K. I like to keep it as it is. I like to use 720p, and you can change the bitrate also, and codec and format MP4 movie, and frame rate I like to use it 60 fps. And if you need to export the audio as separate, you just need to tap on it. I like to keep it as it is. Then after, you can just tap on export. According to your video clip length and your system performance, this will take various time. So these are the basic editings you can use in CapCut. So you can see there are many options also here, filters and audio kind of things. You will learn those things when we use this CapCut software. These are the basics need to know about the CapCut. So that's all about today's video. I hope you gained some knowledge from this video about CapCut. If you think this video is useful, please consider subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.